Having your vehicle seized by the police. Wow, that is a uniquely stressful experience. One moment, you're just going about your day, and the next, a crucial piece of your life is just gone. It can feel totally overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a clear, legal path designed to get it back?
So if you're in this situation and you're thinking, what on earth do I do now? Well, you've come to the right place. We are about to walk through the exact legal path forward, step by step. Okay, let's dive right in. The first, and honestly the most important piece of advice is this. Try not to panic. It's so easy to feel lost, but the law actually provides a very specific solution for getting your property back while the case is sorted out. To really understand the solution, though, it helps to first understand the problem. I mean, why do vehicles get taken into police custody in the first place? Let's take a quick look at the most common reasons.
A seizure can happen for a whole bunch of reasons. It could be that your vehicle was involved in an accident and it's part of the investigation. Or it could have been used in some kind of illegal activity. Sometimes, believe it or not, it's for something as simple as missing or incomplete documents. And of course, in more serious cases, like those under the NDPS Act for narcotics or the POCSO Act, seizing the vehicle is just a standard part of the process. Figuring out which of these buckets you fall into is a really key first step.
All right, now that we kind of get the why, let's move on to the how. The entire process of getting your vehicle back revolves around one key legal application.
And here it is, Supergenema. Now that's probably a new word for a lot of you, but it is the single most important tool you have right now. In simple terms, it's just a formal request you file in court to get temporary custody of your vehicle. Its legal power comes from the Code of Criminal Procedure, or the CRPC, and its new replacement, the BNSS. Just remember, the goal here isn't to end the legal case itself, it's all about getting your property back in your hands while the case is still ongoing.
So, knowing the name of the tool is one thing, but how do you actually use it? Let's break it all down into a practical, four-step process that you'll follow in court. Before you even think about filing anything, you have got to get your paperwork in order. Here's your essential checklist. You'll need your vehicle's registration certificate, that's the RC, your up-to-date insurance papers, and of course your driver's license. Crucially, you'll also need the FIR number, that's the first information report, and all the case details. Trust me, having these documents ready to go from the very beginning will make this whole thing so much smoother. Okay, you've got your documents in hand? Perfect. Here's the game plan. Step 1. You file that Supergenema application in the court that's handling your case. Step 2. You attach copies of all those documents we just talked about. Step 3. Now, the court will probably require a bond or a surety. This is basically a guarantee, a formal promise to the court that you're not going to sell or trash the vehicle, and that you'll bring it for inspection whenever they need you to, since it's still technically part of an active case. And finally, Step 4. Once the court is satisfied, it issues a release order, you take that order to the police station, and you get your vehicle back.
Now, a big question people always have is, how long is all of this going to take? And the good news here is the law isn't just on your side about getting your vehicle back, it's also on your side about getting it back quickly.
And this is huge. This isn't just some suggestion. This is a directive coming straight from the Supreme Court. The highest court in the land has made it crystal clear that letting vehicles just rot away in police station parking lots out in the sun and rain, that is not how things should be done. These are valuable assets, and they should be returned to their owners promptly.
So, the really crucial point to take away from this is the system is actually designed to favor a speedy release. The legal framework, the precedents set by the Supreme Court, they're all there to make sure your property isn't held hostage indefinitely while the wheels of justice slowly turn.
Of course, while this is the standard process, every case can have its own little quirks and complexities. If you feel overwhelmed, or if your situation just seems unique, the absolute best next step is to get proper legal advice. A professional can help you navigate the specifics of your case and just make sure everything is done right.
So there you have it, the roadmap to reclaiming your vehicle. But this whole process brings up a bigger question for every single vehicle owner out there, right? You got your vehicle back because your documents were in order, but are they always ready? It's a proactive thought that could seriously save you a world of trouble down the road.